And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show the variable tag. It might be a little bit surprising, but it's just a formatting tag, so you can't really declare or initialize variables using it. You just use it to display code or display a math formula. Let me just give you a simple example. We use 2x plus 5x equals y. And in this case, obviously x and y are our variables. It's simply displayed like this. So if we add the variable, get turned into italic by default. Let me also give you a simple coding example. Nothing too fancy. I'll just declare an initialized simple variable. Let's say an array. And now we add it right here. Or we'll simply add it to the name, and you can see it gets changed from regular to italic. And this is how you can use the variable tag in HTML. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.